So hi guys, I'm back with 11th video, and today I'm gonna talk about it's just a self practice. Okay, so I will just speak for 10 minutes, and the topic is for today is school life. Okay, so as you know that we all have been to school, right? We have experienced the beautiful. Um, we have the various different notions in the mind, right, about school life, how we spend, how we wake up every morning and wait for bus or rickshaw. I basically used to go by rickshaw, and after 3 or 4, I my father booked auto. Okay, so because our school doesn't have school bus, right? So all we have to arrange for ourselves, right? So so we all have very different notions, right, regarding school life. And talking about my lifestyle, school life, I had no friends as such. Okay, but I always used to stay alone, solitude life. But whenever it comes in terms of spending time, I mean playing games or any extracurricular activities, I always tend to come at the top. Okay, at that point I always get excited. So school time I also very well spent, right. I have participated in various cultural programs, sports. No, actually until class 7 I didn't prepare for. Only in class 4 or 5 I taken a participation in drawing competition, and I stood the second or third position, I don't remember. Okay, and until class 7 I didn't taken I didn't take any participation. Okay, but after class 8 I realized that I don't know actually. The moment I started playing basketball, I realized that I need to take part in various cultural and sports program so that I can lead my life in a very progressive, and I take my life towards success but exponential, and so that I can have a substantial amount of story to tell. Okay, so that was the notion I had in my mind. And yeah, regarding my study, I was good until class 9. Okay, I used to score some around 70, 75, 80. Okay, but the day I attended class 10, I just got so much diverted myself, right. So I can't tell that diversion because that is something private. Okay, okay, leave that. And I just scored a very less mark in class 10, class 7, but I was expecting that I would be achieving quite more percentage, but due to my due diligence I couldn't achieve. And since then I have always been a demotivated guy. Okay, I always had a regression in my mind. So that's the reason, as I have already told you, that I have not achieved anything in my life. Okay, except one thing. Okay, and that which I can't tell now. It's my private thing. Okay, and in terms of career, I haven't achieved anything yet substantially, but essentially what I mean to say is it's the right time. Okay, because as you know, the how actively the technology has been changing over the course of 4 to 5 months, 6 months, right? So since the adoption of AI into the market, so I think this is the perfect right time, and I have already, you know, made a plan that what I have to actually do and what not to do, and what are the things that I have, you know, essentially what I mean to say is I gonna be just give my best. This is my last chance, and I am very much confident that this time, this is the third last chance, I won't lose. And yes, in life there is always a temptation, there is always a frustration, there is always a different types of circumstances always, you know, hits in your life, and you tend to roll out in different way. Okay, sometimes you become unconscious, you are not aware of that what are the things that actually, as I always speak about strategy approach, right? We at that point of time, we are not into a realization, right? So once you cross 25 28, you have a better understanding how to lead a life, right? However, it is not that even if you become 30 years of age, you are very matured enough, but it's just that life teaches you a lot. Life is something that is very critical, right? I mean, nature, it teaches you a lot. So guys, be a part of this successful life, be a part of this rapid growing technology. Okay, be the competitor to yourself, not to anybody else. Okay, have a good market study, have a foundation clear. Okay, because your foundation is your mother. Okay, and your implication is your father. Okay, so please please take hold of the responsibility, and make sure that at the end of the day you could sleep beautiful. I mean, you can have a good sleep, right? So that's all about it, and there are more to say about, but as of now I am not getting heated with any other things that I could be able to say. But enough for today. It's been already, I have already say that I mean challenge that I will speak at least for 10 minutes without getting any pause. Right. So I think that I have almost covered that aspect. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you. I will back with another video, and I don't know what could be the topic. Okay, and see you guys in the next video.